and the crowd getting excited. There's Mr. Mandela, Mr. Nelson Mandela, a free man taking his first steps into a new South Africa. Mrs. Winnie Mandela next to him, waving to the crowds. Hand in hand, they leave the Victor Verster prison. Officials, marshals of the National Reception Committee trying to get the people, and a salute from Mr. Nelson Mandela, his wife Winnie, greeting the people outside the fences of the Victor Verster prison. That is the man who the world has been waiting to see. His first public appearance in nearly 3 decades. 72 years old, walking strongly, step by step, further into freedom. The ANC flags. And one wonders what must be passing through Mr. Mandela's mind at this moment. The day he has also been waiting for. Excitement, people breaking through the barriers, the human barriers of the marshals who intended to keep Mr. Mandela free so that everybody could see him. An excited crowd. They've been standing in the sun the whole day, waiting for this moment. He's walking back towards the car that would probably take him to Cape Town. Maybe it is on advice of the marshals. He has been just outside the grounds of the Victor Verster prison. He's moving back. There is a very nice picture of Mr. Mandela and his wife Winnie. Moving around the car. Mr. Mandela, who has walked his first steps to freedom into a new South Africa, now on his way to Cape Town. The man who everybody has said, and who will be playing a major part in the future political dispensation in South Africa, together with all the other leaders in the subcontinent. And the cavalcade starts moving. It's about 35 miles.